Welcome to a horse adventure in one of the most natural and amazing destinations, the Arenal Volcano in Costa Rica. Witness the amazing natural scenery that runs along the Don Tobias route. This 100% horse ride starts in the modern stables of Don Tobias. Here, a professional guide team prepares us with pertinent information about the route. Special child-size equipment is available. We start the horseback ride going towards the great Arenal Volcano. Our adventure takes us on the old path that Don Tobias went along. He was a well-known horse breeder in the area. Practically the whole ride is done on private property, going through first and second generation forests, as well as some beautiful fields used for cattle raising, and of course amazing views of the great Arenal Volcano that accompanies us along the way. The horseback ride lasts about 3 hours, starting at the foot of the mountain and going up through secondary forest terrains and cattle fields, as well as crossing through a beautiful primary forest area that takes us to a beautiful iris lagoon. Here our horses refresh themselves in order to continue the journey. Later, we ascend a little more and we begin to see the impressive view that is at our back. At this point, we find a well for the horses to drink and we prepare for the final ascent. The highest point in the point of return in our equine adventure is the lookout point. Here, we will be the closest to the Arenal Volcano that is allowed. After enjoying this beautiful view, we return to our horses in order to start the descent down the mountain. The Don Tobias horseback ride is unique and original. We can say with pride that you are cordially invited to the best horseback ride in Costa Rica. Ride the ancient paths of Don Tobias and enjoy this horse adventure to the fullest at Arenal Volcano.